Log into TexasAsphalt.org. Navigate to the top right-hand corner of your browser window and hit the Login button. Enter the email address associated with your TXAPA membership and your unique password. When logged in to TexasAsphalt.org, TXAPA members have access to information that isn't available to the general public. Under Member Resources, you will find our TXAPA e-newsletter and the TxDOT Letting Report. Both of these resources are TXAPA member-only resources and can only be found when logged in to TexasAsphalt.org. Our TxDOT Letting Report archive includes TxDOT Letting Reports for every month leading back to the year 2018. If you are an interested member and would like to receive TxDOT Letting Reports from past years, please contact the association.